Okay, my dear friends, welcome back to my tutorials, friends. And today's section we are going to discuss about this plan to you. Okay, so we'll start that. I'm selecting it and delete that. And you can see, friends, we have two circles over here. That is 58 diameter and 40 diameter circle. So C enter, D enter, 58, C enter, and the circle here, and that is 40. Okay, good. Now I have a circle here that is 8 holes with the 10 diameter. C enter and take that. D enter 10 diameter. And minus here enter command frame. Select this one, enter polar, and I'm center point is here. And 8 items, 360 degrees, enter. Done. Now what we need to do is, I need to take this one. Here we can see, friends, we have here to here we have 34, and here to here we have another 34. So 34 plus 34, that is 68, but here I need to draw that line now. So okay, C enter, from enter, base point is here, and at the rate of x value 0, y value is 68. Yes, 68. Sorry, minus 68. Yeah. So here 36 diameter and 58 diameter. D enter 36. C enter and D enter 56. 58. See, friend, we compulsory having difference. So why? Because of it is 58. But if it's 58 and it's have gap, but here it doesn't have any gap here, but it should be having a gap over here. So then see, this is 34 plus 34, 60, 68. I give it as delete. C enter, from enter, and base point is here. At the rate of x value 0, comma y value is 68. 68 and 58. We should have gap. So one thing we do, escape it here, and see, friends, we want to do this one. So and do this one also. We have 40, we have 34. So how we can do it? C enter, from enter, and we need to take the center point of this particular circle, and we have the down is having 40, so that's why at the rate of circle is 40. At the rate of 40, comma, need to take 34. 40 is in x direction, y direction is minus 34. Yes, and we need to take 22. D enter 22. Yeah, and we have another circle that is 20 radius. C enter 20 radius, and we have 15 radius. C enter, T enter, first time, second time, 15 radius, and TR double enter, right, and we have another circle here. This is 40 and this is 34. Yeah, C enter, from enter, base point is here. At the rate of x value is 40, minus 40, comma y value is minus 34, and 16, 10. D enter, C enter, circle here, 20 degrees, and we need to get in the line like that. L enter, TA and tan, TA and tan, like that. And shift, and we wants to be getting, and this way also like this, and it should be 68. So this is 34 and that is also 34, and I should be getting that. How? See, so I need to do one thing. L enter, line has drawn, that is 34. So from where is the gain to the 34? It's totally, it's 40, 20, 58. See, friend, we have one mistake over here. So what is this circle radius? That is, radius is 40 I given, diameter is 80 I given. So that's the reason we have problem. So no problem, I'll delete once again this, delete it. I'll do it on again, 40 and 58. C enter, D enter, 40, and C enter, circle here, that is D enter, 58. Now I take the circles. So here is having circle, that is 10 diameter. D enter 10 here, and minus AR enter. Select this object, enter. Polar. Center point is here. How many items? 8 items. 8. 360 degrees enter. Now you can see, friends, I want to do this thing here. That's also very simple. So we have 68. C enter, from enter. This is the base point. At the rate of x value 0, comma, so minus 68. And we have diameter 3658. D enter 36 here. And C enter, D enter 58 here. Right. Now what we need to do? I want to make a circle here. This is, I hope so, we have 30. Yeah. We have 45 I think so. So that's the reason what you need to do this. I take a line first. L enter. I draw a line like this, and RO enter. Select this object, and the base point is here. And the rotation angle is and given by 45, and take it as copy and 45. Done. So now I need to take that, this friend, this, that. I should take it as 45. Okay. So how we can take that 45? So you can say now, C enter, circle here, and take that circle over here. That is 6 also 8 there. 8 there. And I don't need this. Delete. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Minus AR enter. Select this circle. Enter. Polar array. Center point is here. How much profile? 6. 6. 360 degrees. It's done. Now I need to do this one here. C enter, from enter. Base point is here. at the rate of x value is 40, sorry, x value is 40 comma y value is 34. D enter, diameter is 22, and we have 20 radius. C enter, 20 radius. C enter, T enter, find. Taken first tangent, second tangent 15. TR double enter. I delete this. And this side is also, we need to do that. C enter, T enter. First tan, second tan. TR double enter. Jump, jump. I need to do same thing, 80. C enter from enter. C enter from enter. Base point is here at the rate of x value is minus 90, comma y value 0. Here 16. D enter 16, C enter, and we need to get in 20. And we will see that L enter, T and tan enter. First tangent here. Shift right click and tangent once again. I'm doing a tangent also. L enter, T and tan enter. First tan ikkada. I need to do one more tangent over here. Tangent and here. See friend, on the first time I'm taken the dimension wrongly. So that's the reason it's not getting that. But now it's coming out. TR double enter. Do it. Done. Right. Okay friends, that's all for the today's section now. And tomorrow means in the next section I was going to discuss about this thing. Okay. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So welcome back to my tutorials. And today's section is I'm going to discuss about the plants to you. So sorry, I'm explaining this first plant to you, and after I'll explain this and this and this. I'm going to discuss with you. So the first of all, I'm going to discuss about these things to you. So you can observe now. So here we can see friends, we have the circles that is 20 diameter, this and this. I have another circle, an outer circle that is given by 17 radius. So that's I need to do here. So C enter. So I need to take center point over this and D enter, give it the diameter. And I need to be in the diameter is 20. Yeah, so then pull it down. Yeah. And we need to take another circle here, so that is 17 radius. C enter, circle center point there and 17. Okay. And I want to take a copy here with the distance of 84. So take a copy, CP enter, and select this object, enter. And now I need to take center point over here. So yeah, so now take the center point, and at the rate of I'm using it, and x distance is 84. The y distance is 0. Now, yeah, escape. So then the enter, so now, so you can see now. I have another circle with the 25 radius, so C enter, T enter, first tangent, second tangent, that's 24. Yes, that. Now TR double enter, I am deleting this. Yeah, done. And I want to do this one first, so that's. See, this is 48, right? So I need to get in the minus of this value. So that's why 40 plus and 42, and it means from here to here we have 42, and this is 42 also. Now C enter, from enter. Now I'll specify the base point, and at the rate of x value is 42. And y value is also 42, and here we have 20 diameter. D enter, 20 diameter. Now you can see we have another circle that is 42 radius. So we need to take 42 radius from this center, that is 42. Yeah. And you can see now, so I have another circle over here. But before going that now, I'll discuss this here. See, from this to this, I have 48 is the height and 31 is the x. So it's like C enter, from enter, base point is here, and at the rate of x value is 31, comma, y value is 48. So D enter, diameter is 22. Okay, C enter, circle there, and diameter is 10, I think so. Yeah, it's D enter. Okay. Yeah. Now we need to take a copy here. CP command. Selecting these objects, enter. This point is here, and at the rate of x value is minus 62, from our value is 0. Yeah. Now you can see I want to be taken this thing here. This is 48 radius. C and T and so I make it just for the tangent over here, and this is for the one more tangent, and 48. Now it's good. TR double enter, from this, from this, and I select and from this also. And we can see from I have another one that is 50 degrees. C enter, T enter, first time here, second time here, 50, and TR double enter, and from this, and from this. Now you can see this, select this one and delete it. Okay, and we have another thing also here. L enter, I take a line, and I draw a line. It is the straight line from line. So yeah, escape, and we can see that we have a radius that is 12. C enter, T enter. I need to take 1, 2, 12. Okay, TR double enter from this, and I from this one also, and I select this one and this. And the same way we need to do this side also. TR double enter, I delete this. So now we can see it. Select this, MI enter, mirror, and then mirroring on that side, enter. TR double enter, and this. So let's go to select this one, select this. And we have to be dry line. Till now, and we can see now TR double enter from this. See, I hope so the plan is complete. So yeah, plan is completed. Yeah. See, this is the plan we done. So yeah, okay, that's all for the tutorial section. So now I'll go and see, and the next section I'm going to discuss about this plan to you. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Hey friends, welcome back to my tutorials here. So today I'm going to discuss about this plan to you. Okay, also. So now we have the circles here, that is what 60 diameter of circle, and we have 26 diameter of circle. So it means this is 26. Okay, and I have 16 diameter of circle. And see friends, here I didn't know that what is this inner circle, but I'm imagining and I'm taking that how much I want to. So suppose that's 10 diameter, so it means I need to take more than 40. Okay, so I'll take that. So C enter, I take this one, and D enter, diameter is 60, and C enter, circle center 24, and we have 26, D enter 26, and I have another method that is C enter. Okay, I'll make it as the radius is so D enter, the diameter is 40 is okay, is I'm double clicking on it first, and we can get it down, and I've given 50. It is also 45. Yeah, of course, it's okay for me. So now see friend, I can see that I have the circle over here that is 10 diameter. C enter, I take the 10 diameter, T enter 10. Now I want to take 6 circles now. So minus here and I'm selecting this object and the polar array. Now center point is here. Enter the number of items 6. Yes, yes. Now you can see. Yeah. Now I want to draw this line here. So this circle I want to do. From here to here we have 90 and from here to here we have 30. So I'll do it. How we do it we can see now. So C enter. From enter. And the base point is here. And the rate of x value is from enter. From enter. Base point is here. The rate of x value is and D enter diameter is 26. Yeah. I have another circle, C enter. And I have how much friends? 44. D enter. And second it should be 72 but I given a mistake for that. So I take a copy, select this circle and this side is hiding. So now I have one circle here, that is 1 or 2 radius. 2 enter, 3 enter. First time here, second time here. Not fit. Okay, here double up. One bit. We want to get the line, shift right click and shift right click here. So the plan is done. Now on the next section of plans, I am going to discuss about this plans today. Okay friends, thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Welcome back to my tutorials friends, and today's section we are going to discuss about this plan, and after that I am going to discuss about this plan to you. And the last section is already discussed about these two plans friends, but today's section is going to discuss about these two plans. Okay, let me start that. So I'll open the Autocad application over here. So with this we are going there, and I'm starting this application. I'm starting this drawing first. So I'm going to do this circle style. So that is what 8 diameter. We have 3 holes. So we need to start on this. C enter circle and D enter. Diameter is 8. So 10. Now we need to take that the same circles onto the here and here. So and we need to know that how I am going to take this. So from here to here we have x value, that is 45, and from here to here we have y value, that is 30. So I need to take that copy command, cp command, and select this object, enter, and the base point is here, and at the rate of x value is 45 comma 30. Yeah, so done. So in the same way, at the rate of x value is minus 45 comma y value is 30. So now you can see friend, I want to make another circle here, that is 14 radius of circle. So we need to do that. C enter, circle center point here, and 14. So it's a 14, enter. And so I need to take this one also here, the same way, enter, enter. And here we have 15 radius, C enter, and here this is 15 radius. Yeah. Now what we need to do is, so I want to drive one line here. This line is L enter, and shift right click here, and I go into the tangent, and make a tangent, shift right click here and tangent. Okay. Now I want to be doing meters of this. My enter. Select this also. And I want to be getting meter like this. Right? Right. So now you can see it. So from here to here we have circle that is 70. So I need to take the C enter, enter. And I need to specify the center point also. Sorry? The rate of 70. The rate of X value is 72. Now let us see here and we need to go by the another circle. So that is 20 diameters. And we have another circle that is 40 degrees. So we enter circle center point is here. And we can see here we're going to be doing just this. So it's time now I need to do this circle that is 74 minutes. Second time here, 70. Selecting this. So here we can see friends, I want to do this in here. So that's very simple to do. L enter I take from my enter I take. So I'm taking this point here and enter it. X value is 0, comma Y value is 0. We have this is 84. And we can go by this.
Degree college.
So I need to
In
do
the
this.
bracket, campus.
You can see now, so we
Raman
have
Peta
16.
was
It is 30, so it's 10 is long here. So 40. Take this. Well, now we need to take this to here also. This one will be like. Okay, so now I'll do it the same thing for it. So I'll select this circles here and I'm going to do wants to be from this and we need to draw the lines, so that's very simple to do this small lines. So you can try to do that. So for the today class now and the next section I'll go to discuss next plan. Okay friends, welcome back to my sections of tutorials to you friends, and today class now I'll going to discuss about the something plan to you friends. Okay, I'll show you that what the plan I'm going to discuss with you. So we can see friends, this is the plan I'm going to discuss with you now. So okay, how we do that, we can see friends, we have the 60 diameter of circle and 44 diameter of circle and 28 diameter of circle is there. So I'm going to do that one here, so you can see, we can observe. Let's see here, so we can take it as circle now. C enter, and we need to start the center point over here. So I'll specify the center point, and after that we need to give it that 28 and 44 and 16. Okay, D enter 28, and we need to take one more circle at the same center point, and I need to take that 44 diet. So D enter 44, C enter, circle center point there, and I give it as D enter 50. So we can observe here, friends. So we have made the circles over here like this, and I have the waterfront is another circle here. The circle is having waterfront is the 6 or the 8 diagram. So that's why I need to make that circle. So I take this quadrant here and D enter 8. Now I'm using minus AR command enter. I'm selecting this object, enter, and I'm using the polar array and search for the center point over there, enter, and we can say, friends, how many objects are there? 6. So that's why 6 and 360 degrees center. So then now you can see, friends, I want to be take one more circle over here. So that is, give it that here. So that is 54 radius, 94 radius, and 84 radius and 74 radius of circles are there. I'm going to do that one here. We can see now. So we have C enter, circle center point is there. I give it as 74 radius, and we have C enter, circle center point, and 54 radius. I have another circle that is C enter, circle here, 94 radius, and C enter, circle here, and 84 radius. So we can observe, friends, in this circles now. So we have one circle that is what is the 74 radius of circle is there. So that 74 radius of circle I need to take now. So first of all, already I taken that 74 radius of circle, but I want to make one more circle over here with the radius of 20 and 10 radius. So I need to do that. This is 54, this is 74. C enter, I'm taking the quadrant here, and I'm giving the radius that is 10 and 20. 10, and C enter, circle here, and I give it as 20. See, friend, this is the circle I made now. So I want to be given an angle now. How much angle is there, friends? 30. So I need to take that one. So how we can give it this C now. So AR enter, I'm selecting this, enter, and polar array, and specify the polar array here, and enter the number of items in the array, that is 2, and how much angle we need to be filled, that is 30, and enter. That I'm selecting this one, and I'm selecting this one, delete this. So here to, hey, listen, friends, I'll be stay at that. Okay, I'll do one more array command. So AR enter, select this object, enter, polar array, and specify the center point over here at the rate of, enter the number of items are 2, and the angle is minus 45. Why it's minus 45 means because of I want to be make it as a now this way. This is a clock direction. So means always angles are will go for the positive by anti-clockwise. So that's why when I'm giving this circle now, so I'm giving as 30, but here this side is given minus 45 by because of I go into the clockwise direction. So that's the reason. So here I need to give this 45, enter, and enter. So what happens you can see now. So we seen it here, but here you can see the front TR double enter. I trim this areas over here. I trim it. So and you can see now. So this circle is also going to be delete, and this circle is also going to be delete. Now let's see here. So we have another small circle here. So this is 10 radius of circle. So that's why O enter offset has given that. I'm taking the 20. Why? Because means radius is 10. It means 20 diameter. So I need to take the small circle like this. Now you can see, friends, I want to be trim this one. So TR double enter. I'm trimming these areas this way, and I want to be trimmed this way also, and this, and this. Now we have another one. This is trim, and this one is also, and this one is also. Now you can see friend, I want to have one more circle that is 25 radius. I'll do that. C enter, T enter, and first tan here, second tan here, 25. So then TR double enter, and I'm going to delete this one. Yeah, and I'm taking that C enter, T enter, and I want to take this one circle from here to here. We have 82 radius. That is 82. Done. So TR double enter, and I'm going to remove this. See that? Yeah. You can observe this. This is a plan I already discussed with you. And the next section we are going to discuss about the next. Yeah. And the next section of the classes I'll start at isometric drawings now. And after finishing up the isometric drawings now, I'll go to discuss about civil structures, and the civil drawings are going to discuss with you. And after civil drawing now, I'll go to discuss about the electrical drawings to you. Okay, friends. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts now, please comment below. Thank you.